program to find volume and surface area of the cone. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and surface area of the cone is pi into radius plus length. First we write the main method, then define the variable which is used during this program. Writing this program, double radius, height, length, surface area, volume. That's it. Then here we want input given by the user, so we use a scanner object, new scanner, system.in. Enter the radius of the cone. This line of code define what radius we enter. Radius sc dot next double, then enter the height, of the cone. This code defined what height we enter. Sc dot next double, then write the formula of lateral length of cone. Math dot square, which is math dot square into radius square, radius into radius plus height into height. And formula for surface area of the cone is math dot pi into radius to radius plus length. And volume, formula of the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 into math dot pi into radius into height. That's it. Let's print all this in the form of format. First we print the length, lateral side of the cone is module 2f length, which is lateral side of the cone, and next is surface area in the form of format. Surface area of cone is module 2f surface area. Then print the volume of the cone in the form of format. Volume of the cone is 2f solving. Let's save the program. Save the program and run the program. Radius of the cone is 4 and height of the cone is 6. Lateral side of the cone is 7.21. Surface area of the cone is 140.88. Volume of the cone is 100.3. That's it.